Hello, it's Monday, March the 21st, and I'm Lee Stone with the Daily Outlook for MaxiForex. The dollar traded mixed against the other major currencies after robust data came out in the U.S., fueling appetite among investors. Japan's nuclear emergency situation is still in the background and hits the market with developing news, but the dollar weakness was inevitable. The stock markets in the U.S. closed positive as the Dow Jones rose by 0.71% and the Nasdaq gained by 0.29%. Crude oil closed at $100.54 a barrel, but the price jumped to $104 a barrel with the opening of the market last night. Gold also jumped, moving above and then closing at $1,418.25 an ounce. Today, existing home sales are expected at 5.05 million versus 5.36 million previously. The euro rose against the dollar and accumulated gains during the American session, posting its highest level since November 2010. This came after the Japanese finance minister Noda said that the ECB may intervene in the EURUSD. Hence, both EURUSD and EURUSD jumped after these comments. Holding above the support area of 141.40 will keep the bullish momentum. Overall, EURUSD traded with a low of 139.79 and with a high of 141.83. Today, ECB President Trichet is expected to speak. Sterling gained versus the dollar and UK government debt rose as Fitch Ratings said the UK should keep its top credit rating, citing government efforts to reduce the budget. The pair is heading towards the key resistance level of 162.70. Breaching this zone will fuel a positive momentum in the pair. Overall, GBPUSD traded with a low of 160.60 and with a high of 162.55. Today, no major economic data is expected. The yen was crushed across the board by more than 300 pips, and it was opposite to what was seen when the Asian markets opened yesterday, after the G7 had decided to sell the yen on joint intervention in the foreign exchange markets to help support the Bank of Japan in this crisis. Holding above the support zone of 80.50 turns the momentum to positive for the pair. Overall, USDJPY traded with a low of 79.05 and with a high of 81.97. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar fell versus the US dollar after crude oil reversed its advance, erasing a weekly gain. After Libyan Foreign Minister Moussa Koussa said in a televised news conference that the North African nation is ceasing all military action and will start talks with rebels. Breaking the next support level at 0.98 zones might deepen the pair's weakness. Overall, USD CAD traded with a low of 0.9803 and with a high of 0.9864. Today, no economic data is expected. Well, that's it for me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.